Hi everyone, welcome back to another Sentry Equipment video. I'm Angelo D'Ambrosia, and today we're going to go through cleaning our SL500 and Gravity models. So we're going to go through cleaning our SL500. Just so you know, I want to show you what I have laid out here on the table. Here is the sanitizer we use, we prefer, and we also sell it. Here is the lubrication we prefer to use. It's Petrogel. This is one of our cleaning brushes. It's the one I will be using today. And I wanted to point out one of the things that Sentry offers, and is our cleaning stickers. We have a recommendation for when you should change these parts here. And you send a dry erase marker, so we literally stick this on the machine and you can mark with the marker when you did it, so you can keep up and be proactive with changing your parts. So let's get started on cleaning. The first thing we're going to do is we need to drain the old product that's in there. I prefer to clean in night mode because the product is more liquefied. Still refrigerated, just liquefied. So what we need to do that is we take off our cover, and we're going to remove our carb tubes here. So the carb tubes just lift out and pull out like that. And I'm going to go drop these off at our sink, and then we will get to draining. So we took our carb tubes out, and we still need to drain the old product. So I'm going to give you the tips on how I do this. So we take out our push rods, simply push up and pull out. And then we'll be able to drain the product. Before draining, I want to make sure everything is off. So our switch is in the off position on both sides. Now we can just pull our handle down. So as you can see, this one's not coming out. This is a good example for when this was coming off of night mode and when it was left in day mode. So we'll finish draining the one that's liquid, and then I will show you this one.